That's something other people do. Other people travel around the country in awesome campers, but not me. Until it was me. 211 nights, 78 consecutive nights, and too many photos and memories to even count. I didn't expect it to change me. I never expected that something so simple could open the door to so much. I never expected that a travel trailer would become as much a part of my story as Rocky, my photography, and everything else in my life. Sometimes it brought me to sites that were so beautiful I was too overwhelmed to even snap the shutter. 2 months in Colorado's Collegiate Peaks region, camping on the remote Dolly Sods Plateau in the mountains of West Virginia, enduring the scorching summer heat in Arizona and Utah, and then falling in love with landscapes all over again in the Canadian Rockies. I saw the splendor of the night sky rise above it and felt the earth shake beneath it. I've learned a lot about RVs. I've learned a lot about my tab, but I've learned even more about people. It brought me to new friends, to a new community. People who camp, who cook, people who hike, who travel, who grieve, who battle cancer or who have battled cancer, and other challenges, all willing to share their lives. People who are kind, and people who enjoy good company. People who help you solve problems, and people who solve the problem for you. That's what it's been like owning my 2015 Tab 320. And now, after 6 years and 5 days, I'm saying goodbye to it. Yep, it's the end of the road for us. We're saying goodbye, we're breaking up. I'm not gonna lie, it's not easy saying goodbye to this turquoise Tab and the custom sunshade that my mom made to match it. It's not the end of my story, and I hope you'll stick around for the next leg of the journey. I won't leave you hanging on for long. If you haven't followed me on my other social media accounts, now is a good time to do it. Followers on Instagram and Facebook will be the first to see what the next leg of my journey will look like. I may even go live on Instagram on Friday. I'll go ahead and drop the links to those accounts in the description below. One last thing, I want to say thank you. If you've helped me learn about my tab, answered a question for me, joined me in a conversation around the campfire, or just follow me on social media, I appreciate it. You've made my experience much richer, and I can't wait to see you all in person again in the future. I'll see you soon.